Alright, checking to see how much of a difference it makes whether you aim the microphone more at your chest, because this is the mic being aimed a little bit below my mouth, basically. Yes, this is below my mouth a little bit, so it's kind of aimed like here. Yes, now let's adjust it. Let's aim it a little bit more correctly at my face, at this kind of, at my chin, basically. Yes, this is the second test. This is the second layer of the test, and in the third layer of the test, yeah, sure, yes, we are GIMP. We are professional GIMP. We have layers. Yes, in the third layer of the test, we shall aim this a little bit further up even. We shall aim it at our bloody nose. Yes. And in a moment I will be able to witness what you have been witnessing already, and what you are witnessing. Basically the differences between these subtle adjustments and these options, possibilities, variations. Yes. What? Okay, apparently some interesting noise from beyond the wall. Yes. I think I should stop before I choke on my bodily fluids. Yes. This would conclude this short testing. I shall meet you again with something else, probably just as nonsensical. Oh yes, the microphone being tested has been this. Well, you can't see it in focus, but this says S-Mic2, and this inscription here says deity. And this is the most professional way of addressing a shotgun microphone. If nobody had told you that before, yes, this would be the way to actually use it. Apologies for that. Yes. So, see you in the next one.